What is the density in grams per cubic centimeter of a 48.0 gram sample of metal if the level of water in a graduated cylinder rises from 25 milliliters to 33 milliliters after the metal is added? So first we want to analyze the problem. We are looking for the density. And we know that density is equal to the mass over the volume. They've given us the mass of the sample here. So we have the mass, but we're going to need to calculate the volume because they've given us an initial and a final volume. They've given us two volumes, and the volume of the metal is going to be the difference in those two. So the volume is going to be equal to 33 milliliters minus 25 milliliters. That's 8.0 milliliters. Okay, so that's the volume. We've got the mass, so we're ready to do our problem. The mass is 48.0 grams. The volume is 8.0 milliliters. And that gives us 6.0 grams per milliliter. Now, milliliter is basically equivalent to cubic centimeter. So this is also equal to grams per cubic centimeter. And that is my final answer, so I'll draw a square around it. Thanks.